So over here, you can see that I got two classes right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to rename out this particular class right here. In that case, what you can do is you can click on the three dot button right here, and then you can go around and click on edit. So once you do that, you can see that you get the options right here with the class details. As you can see that you can change out. So what you can simply do is, let's say for example, I'm going to say graphic design and animation right here, just like this, and hit the save button. And once you do that, what happens is that the class name will be updated over here, just like this, as you can see. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So this is how you can go around and rename out your class. And when you're inside of a classroom like this as well, what you can do is you can go around and click on this particular class settings gear icon, and then over here you can go around and change the details of the class as well. So over here you can go around and see that this is the name, and I'm just going to go around and say graphic design, creativity, and animation right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and rename it. And over here you can go around and change around the section over here as well. So online right here, so Google Meet 2, let's say for example, and subject will be, let's say for example, multimedia right here, just like this. And if I were to go around and click on the save button right here, what happens is that this will simply be updated, as you can see from over here as well. And that is how you can go around and then rename out classes inside of Google Classroom. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.